Hello and welcome to this video on the topic Introduction to Cloud Native Architecture. My name is Anita Human and I am a developer advocate. In this video, I will talk about cloud native architecture and technologies. First, I will explain what cloud computing is all about. Then we're going to look at why cloud computing is important and why it was created in the first place. Then we're going to further discuss the definition of cloud native architecture, its primary pillars, and then the benefits of these cloud native technologies. And finally, we're going to look at when and where to use the cloud native approach. If you're new here, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. So then, what is cloud computing? According to Google, this is what cloud computing is all about. Well, I decided to define it as anything that requires the on-demand delivery of services that are hosted over the internet. Now, these cloud services can be anything from your servers to your storage, database, network, software, analytics, as well as business intelligence. Why cloud computing and what challenges does cloud computing address? Well, previously, applications were developed and deployed using on-premise data centers and servers. Because of how these data centers were designed, companies often had to invest heavily into their database, hardware, and software. This eventually resulted in waste of funds because you either buy a lot of space that you end up not completely using, or you buy very little space and there's no room for expanding on the space. And then let's not forget the security challenges, and it was difficult to manage. The introduction of cloud computing changed everything. Now, what do I mean by that? Rather than investing heavily in database and storage as well as network infrastructures, companies and organizations were now able to restructure their code to technologies that offer pay-as-you-go method, technologies that allow them to deploy and scale applications as quick as possible. Applications and systems that do not require so much space for servers, and neither do they require so much time when it comes to maintenance. And at the end of the day, they also still achieve reliability that they're looking out for in these systems. With this recent advancement in information and technology growing in popularity, so many software developers were now looking to adopt and get involved in these cloud computing delivery models. Now, this leads us to the question, what is cloud native architecture? Well, if you check Google, this is the definition you're most likely going to see. But I'm going to define it as the modern day approach for building and running applications that take advantage of the cloud's flexibility, scalability, and resilience. The term can be used to address tools and techniques that developers use to build and run applications that are available on either hybrid, public, or private clouds. Therefore, an application is considered cloud native if it is designed, built, and delivered using the cloud delivery model. The cloud native architecture is all about speed and agility that allow developers and engineers to build and develop high-performing applications. It is made up of 4 primary building blocks, which include containers, microservices, DevOps, and CI/CD. So many organizations have been formed to help foster the adoption and advancement of this cloud native concept, and one of those is the CNCF, short for Cloud Native Computing Foundation. This is a project created by the Linux Foundation to help foster the advancement and also adoption of these cloud native technologies and systems in the tech ecosystem. The CNCF's mission is to make cloud native concepts and technologies ubiquitous. That means they want every single person to be able to use and also tap into these cloud native or cloud delivery models that we're talking about. There's so many reasons why cloud native technologies are growing in popularity and increasing in demand, and some of these include 1. Independence. These applications are built in such a way that they're independent of each other, which means you can build, manage, and deploy them separately without any challenges. Another is the resilience. These applications are designed in a way that even if your infrastructure fails, the application itself might never fail. Then we have agility. Cloud native applications leverage flexible deployment choices that make it easy for you to build, deploy, and also iterate the application lifecycle with ease. Another is compatibility. Because of how these applications are designed, they use open source and standard-based technologies, which makes it easy for them to work with other projects and work or even function properly on different environments. And then we have automation. With the use of DevOps practices and cultures, it is easy for your application to follow the continuous delivery and continuous deployment methods even while your application is still running. Last but not the least, we have no downtime. With orchestration tools like Kubernetes, you can easily deploy a software upgrade without experiencing any interruptions on the user's experience and still have our applications running perfectly. So when and where do we use the cloud native approach? As time has progressed, so many industries are now looking to tap from this cloud native development approach. And of course, they benefit from the innovations that come with it. So, to succeed in a fast-paced and software-driven market such as this, a lot of companies are now refactoring their application code to meet up with the user's demand for speed and agility. Since the cloud-native architecture supports multiple use cases for different business models, you can actually leverage on these technologies regardless of the nature of your business or your application and the size of your application. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then hit the like and subscribe button.